The trick I'm about to show you today will seriously blow your mind. With this simple method, you can get 25 free TikTok likes every 5 minutes on any of your videos. Yes, it's 100% free, super easy to use, and works perfectly, but here's the catch. Once this trick goes viral, there's a chance it might get taken down. So I want you to be among the first to take full advantage and boost your TikTok videos with thousands of free likes. I personally guarantee this method works. No clickbait, no scams, SO without wasting any time. Let's dive straight into it. If you find this trick helpful, all I ask is for your support. Smash that like button. Let's hit 300 likes. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's reach 4,000 subscribers today. Let's get started.
First, open any browser and search for DJAKB. As soon as you search, the website djakb.com will appear at the top. Click on it to open the site. Once it's open, scroll up and down a little to let the website load properly. Now scroll down, and you'll see a search option. Click on it. Next, search for the keyword ZOFOY, exactly as shown on the screen. After searching, the article will appear at the top. Click on Read More to open the full article. Now scroll down the article, and you'll see a timer. Wait for the timer to finish completely. Once the timer ends, a button will appear. Click it to access the trick directly. At this point, you'll need to solve a CAPTCHA. Just type the word you see above into the box below and submit.
Few minutes later.
You can use this trick again and again to get free likes. It took me a lot of effort to find this method, so please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.